Hey y'all, I'm trying here the custom Tarte makeup kit. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Radiance Concealer. This is in the color Radiant 47H Tan Deep Honey. And when I tell you this thing goes on so smooth and so sweet, baby, it is what it needs to be. Now it does go on a little bit light, but it does blend down sheer, as you can see here. I was worried at first when I first used it, but honey, honey, it does the job, okay? This is the Tarte Blush Tape Liquid Blush, and this is in the color Berry. You can twist it to unlock it and twist it to lock it back, and all you have to do is squeeze once you unlock it to get the product out. And let me tell you, I don't normally use liquid blushes, but for this being my first time using a liquid blush, the experience is just absolutely amazing. Okay, it blends out so good. It still gives you that coverage that you need, the coverage that you can count on, honey. Okay, I know you see that little hint of pink in there. Okay, you can layer this if you like, but I like to just go in with one layer because, baby, we ain't trying to do too much. But yes, I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes, get you to it. And next, we're using the Fake Awake eyeliner. This is a nude eyeliner by Tarte. And let me tell you, baby, I love it. And this is the Tartelette XL 2B Mascara by Tarte Cosmetic. And I love this. I love. This is like my new favorite one because it separates the lashes. It gives volume. It gives thickness, baby. This right here, this is the coverage that you can count on, okay? Yes, I know you see the difference. Lashes, no lashes, okay? Baby, you don't even need falsies with these, because this right here gets you right, okay? Now let's go ahead and get into the full glam, baby. Oh, I'm so beat. Oh my God, let me cover up. Who I think I am? Time to get an outfit. And last but not least, not to talk about the Tarte cosmetic bag where you can hold all of your products in. Yes, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, I got to go. Yeah.